Alright, so I needed to replace the piezo pickup inside this acoustic guitar. So naturally, like anyone, when I haven't done something before, I went on the internet and started watching YouTube videos and how-tos and reading articles about how to do it. And it seems like the agreed upon method by everyone is to take a little jig like this thing and a golf tee, and you stick it in like that, and then you take your pickup, whatever it may be, and you stick it on right over the bridge, something like that with the sticky tack. And then to keep everything lined up, you use a second little toothpick. So you got everything lined up just like that, and then you basically put some glue on the pickup, transfer it all inside, and then locate that hole with the golf tee and the thing, all while trying to not touch the glue and not move the pickup around and not lose anything, and line it all up. And then you push it on the underside of the bridge and hold it until it dries. Now, I don't know about you, but that to me seemed really complicated and goofy, and I was having a hard time figuring that out. So I came up with my own alternate mirror method, that I guess I'll call it, that it seemed like was a lot easier. So all you need for this is just a cheapo flashlight. This is just one from Harbor Freight, and it's perfect because I can just put this right in the guitar and let it sit anywhere pointing up, and now it's lit up inside the guitar. And then I can take something like this little mirror. Hi. Now it doesn't have to be anything fancy like this. It could be like a little pocket makeup mirror or anything like that, because it just needs to lay flat inside the guitar under the bridge. Now you could probably also do this with something like your phone in selfie mode or whatever you like that, but really you just need to get it in there and get it flat under the bridge of the guitar. So now with the mirror inside the guitar and the light, I can just look straight through these holes where the string pegs usually go, and I can see off of the mirror the underside of this bridge, right where I need to put the pickup. So rather than mess around with any of those other things, I can just put some super glue or CA glue or whatever you want to use of choice onto the pickup, reach my hand inside the sound hole, and then look through there, locate exactly where I need it to go, and then hold it down, and it's all glued. Now to me that seems way easier than trying to mess around with it blind, because I can just see in there. Now the backlash that I'm anticipating with this method is that people are going to say you want it right over the bridge, you don't want it anywhere else, and the location is super critical. But to me, when I'm doing it blind and I'm trying to judge it off of that thing, I'm going to mess it up the amount that I could just eyeball where that bridge sits from the underside anyways. Now I haven't seen this method anywhere before, so as far as I'm concerned, I made it up myself. If you've seen it or heard of it or you've done it before, let me know in the comments down below. I'd really like to hear. Or if you have opinions about the other way, benefits, betters, what's better, did I stumble across something genius or am I just an idiot? I'd love for you to let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to subscribe to not miss out on any future videos that might come out. But otherwise, have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.